Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title guys Infinix phone guys phone touch sound guy, how can we use? Friends, we want to use guys Infinix phone guy phone touch sound setting. So friend, how can you use it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on guys Infinix phone guy phone touch sound. So guys, we will on guys our phone setting. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Friends, click on my phone sound and vibration. Again scroll guys, you can see guys your phone guys this touch sound guys, we will on from here. After on guys, come back and friends you can use when you will tap on guys your phone buttons and guys any icon when you will on guys any setting. So friends, you can use guys this phone touch sound setting guys from here. So like that guys, you can use guys your phone touch mean guys tap sound setting in your Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on phone touch sound. So bye guys.